Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry. Are you slightly confused? It's the beginning of a scrapbooking video, but it appears that I have a completed page in front of me. Well, your eyes do not deceive you. If you've been a viewer for very long or a subscriber for very long, then you know that this is a workshop that I did probably a year ago, maybe a year ago. And back when I used to teach the workshops, I didn't always have photographs available at the time of teaching the workshop that matched what I needed to work on and what I needed to teach, because I was on a timeline with close to my heart on teaching the current product that was in the catalog at the time. So probably 90% of the time I didn't have photos to fit the catalog or to fit the paper pack that I was working with that month. So I would use photo postment cards on my workshops until I had time to go back and fill in the photographs later. Today I thought I would take one of those layouts and show you how I do that. There's a couple things that I'm going to do to kind of change it just a wee bit, but not much. And then I'll show you how to take a completed layout for one of the workshops that we've done in the past, if you have workshops that look like mine, and how to turn it into a completed layout with photographs. So what I'm going to do first is put my labels on the back so that I know where these go when I'm putting everything away. And then I have two 4x6, 1, 2, 3, and 3 4x4. Set this aside for a moment. I have a coordinating cardstock that I'm going to cut to the size that I need. There's my two 4x6s and my 4x4s. I don't think you're going to be, nope, you're not going to be the right size. Normally you would be, but I'm making these slightly bigger. And this is, that was smoothie cardstock, so I just stuck the smoothie down in my scraps pile. And then I'm going to take my 4x4, so 4x4, 4, 4x6, yes. I'm going to mark this so that I can trim it down. These are convention photographs from 2013, and these are some of the loveliest ladies you will ever meet. I had such a great time all of my 14 years with Close to My Heart. Stopping was a very personal choice, but it was one that was right for my family at the time. I don't regret my decision, but I do miss times like this with convention, where we all would get together once a year and renew friendships, because a lot of these ladies, we live all over the country and now internationally, so sometimes the only time we would get together was the once a year. That part of Close to My Heart I desperately miss. trim just a hair off of this because I want the mat to show. I'm just trimming just slight extra amounts off because I want the mat to show under. So if you are like me or did the workshops with me and you've got a ton of these partially completed layouts, that all you need to do is add the photographs. This is what I do. And this is also a very quick way of just getting things done. Now I have quite a few of these completed layouts that are Christmas themed. So I'm holding off until I have some Christmas pages. Oh, I did cut myself. This is why I have Band-Aids. I just looked down and noticed that I did cut myself with the blade. I crossed my thumb over the blade ever so slightly and sliced myself. So, oh, hold on one moment. And I just dropped my Band-Aid on the floor. That's where me and a spot Band-Aid come in handy. After I get done, I will wash this up. But for right now, it will keep me healthy. Okay, like that. Scooch that up a little bit. So my 4x6. There's my 4x6. Trim it on the side some. There we go. There we go. Then this very last one, I didn't have a 4x6, so I'm just going to mat it like that and let some more of the mat show through. because these are two of my favorite ladies and I couldn't bear to not have them in the photo. So I'm going to scoot one over for a moment so that I can see the other one. And then we're going to get it all lined up. And if all else fails, tear up the placement card and put this where you want it. And just like that, we have two completed layouts. So if you have some photographs, or you have your layouts and you've got the photographs and you just didn't have time to put them together at the time of creation, as I like to say, it's okay to go back and put your photographs on later. The whole point is just sometimes just to play. You don't always have to be documenting a story. Sometimes you can just play and just make a whole bunch of blank layouts and then go on a retreat and take all your photos, and half the fun could also be matching your photos up to the perfect layout. So this is side one. Side two. And then side by side. Thank you so much for spending just a few minutes of your day with me today. I know that you have a choice of scrapbooking videos that you could be watching, and I'm very thankful that you chose to spend some time with me. Until next time, bye-bye.